Hello, hello, it's Agnes, and welcome to. You are on day 14 today of the Attracting Your Dream Job and Work 15-day intensive. You got 2 days left. So, today you're going to listen to two YouTubes. One is going to be Should I Sell My Ideas? And the other one is 10 Ideas for Passive Income. So, just again, opening your mind to whether you want a job or you want an idea to become a business or whether you want a fantastic opportunity. It's just about looking at different ways of doing things and selecting the one that vibes with you. Number 2, today you're going to do your 100 affirmations. And number 3, you're going to do your paragraph scene, starting with I'm happy and grateful now that. So, also, you can start to using the images that you collected yesterday or started looking at yesterday, start to piece together your vision board for your dream job or work. Now, you can keep doing this after the course is over. There's no deadline to finish it by tomorrow. This is just like a finishing up work in progress as you finish your course, okay? So don't panic. You don't have to finish it in 2 days. So we will do the daily meditation now. So close your eyes, get comfortable, and focus on the here and now. This is your time to be in a focused state to create a line of energy between you and your perfect work, your amazing opportunity, the best work you have ever had. So, in your comfortable position, close your eyes and just let everything go. Take everything off your shoulders, so to speak. And we're going to start with the breaths. In for 4 and out for 4, as we always do. In for 4, breathing, and out for 4. Breathing in for 4, and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. And last one, breathing in for 4, hold for 4, and breathing out for 4. Now on the screen of your mind, in your mind's eye, I want you to just repeat these statements and actually see them written in your mind as we say them. The aim today in this meditation is to see the words and feel the feelings of having, okay? So the affirmation backed by the feeling. I am loving my work in this wonderful place. I am loving my work in this wonderful place. I am loving my work in this wonderful place. Everything and everyone prospers me now. Everything and everyone prospers me now. Everything and everyone prospers me now. I love how I created this opportunity. 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 And feel the feelings as we say these statements. Feel these feelings as we say the statements. As you breathe in and out, just in a regular pace, call up the feeling in your heart of appreciation and of whatever the affirmation is talking about. I love my work. I love my work. I love my work. I love my work. I enjoy all the tasks that I do. 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 What wonderful work I have. 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 My friends are so proud of me. 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 My family is so proud of me. My family is so proud of me. My family is so proud of me. I'm proud of me too. I'm proud of me too. I'm proud of me too. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. Last time, breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And just stay in that state, in the silence of appreciating what you've created, feeling your friends and family's love and appreciation, and just that real pride and excitement for you. So you can do that now. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And now, in this relaxed state, I'm going to count you out of the meditation. Just let the scene fade away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lots of love to you, power to you manifesting, and well done for making it to day 14. And you have one more day left, and you have accomplished and achieved an amazing amount of work that's taken an amazing amount of discipline and focus. So well done to you. I will see you tomorrow for the final day.